Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Pedagogy Across the Curriculum. It's a DLED ETT first year book. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, as also their previous books were also. So it's a JK Bose book of Jammu and Kashmir, and it's of the highly most trusted educational publisher, which is Vinod Publications. It's in Hindi medium book. So let's check this book out. It's a bestseller book also. So let's check this out. This book, the speciality of this book is that the things are very well properly explained in this book, and not only that, the topics are also highlighted in both the languages, in both English and Hindi, so that any kind of reader who will find it in any particular language can read it, can understand the language, and the things are also very well explained with pictorial representation also whenever it is needed. Unit wise things are explained, unit 2, and other things are mentioned. You can check the language also of this book, very easy with, whenever it's necessary, the things are explained in both the languages, English and Hindi also. In most the cases things are explained in both the languages. So even if you are a fan of English medium thing, you can all is buy this book then also, because things are explained in mostly in both the languages. It's for both the mainly it's a Hindi medium book, but it's for both kind of readers. You can check, unit wise things are mentioned till till the last unit, till so many units things are mentioned, like I should tell you the last unit, where the last unit begins. So you can check till unit 14 of the topic of unit plan, macro and micro lesson plan, which is there in syllabus also. It's still the last unit, the things are mentioned, and its book ends at 224 pages, and in the last side of the book, other books of ETT books, first year of JK Bose Vinod Publications are also mentioned. You can check them out in both the English and Hindi medium. So the price of this book is just rupees 199.50 rupees only, and for a book of 224 pages where things are discussed in so detail, and the language is so smooth, so easy, with both the things are mostly discussed in both the languages, in English and Hindi, highlighted in both the languages. So I think it's a must buy book, because its price is also very reasonable, quality is also very good. So it's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy it anytime, or you can also call them directly at 9218 219218 at Vinod Publications, and the book will be delivered to your location is in just 3-4 days time. You can also go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can also visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com, and check out other books of Vinod Publications. Also you can check out other books of Vinod Publications on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. They have highly, they are highly equipped in all kind of books, and new kind of books are available in time by time in this publishing firm. So the bestseller publishing firm, it's there. So Flipkart and Amazon, you can call them directly at 9218219218, or if you want to purchase this book offline also, you can go to any bookstore nearby your location and buy this book easily at just rupees 199.50 rupees only. So 199.50 for this amazing book, Pedagogy Across the Curriculum, ETT first year Hindi medium bestseller book of JK Bose. I think it's a highly recommendable book from my side. You should definitely buy this book now only, because it's a great book, bestseller, amazing book. The poster is also very nice, things are also very detailed and explained. You should definitely buy this book, highly recommendable from my side. Thank you.